In today's video, you will learn how to add text in DaVinci Resolve. Adding text to your videos is a great way to include titles, captions, subtitles, or important information that helps viewers follow along with your content. To begin, make sure you're on the Edit page. This is where you'll find the tools needed to add and customize text within your project. Once you're there, go to the top left area and select Effects. This will open the Effects library and give you access to additional editing elements that can be added to your timeline. Next, look for the option on the left side that expands the available categories. After opening those options, select Titles. You'll now see a variety of text presets and title styles available. There are many different choices depending on the look you're trying to achieve, from simple text overlays to more stylized title effects. If you just want to add basic text or subtitles, choose one of the standard text options and drag it directly onto your timeline. Once it's placed, the text element will appear as its own clip, making it easy to move, trim, and edit, just like other items in your project. To customize the text, click on the text clip in the timeline. Then move to the top right area where the text settings are displayed. Here you can type the words you want to appear on screen. For example, you can enter a simple greeting or any message that fits your video. After entering your text, open the customization options. This allows you to adjust the appearance of your text to better match your video's style. You can change the font, adjust the color, increase or decrease the size, and make other visual adjustments until you're happy with the result. If you'd like to reposition the text, scroll down to the position settings. You'll find controls for both the X and Y values. The X value moves the text horizontally across the screen, while the Y value controls its vertical placement. By adjusting these settings, you can place your text exactly where you want it to appear in the frame. Once you've finished customizing the text, your title or caption is ready to use in the video. With the different title presets, font options, and positioning controls available, it's easy to create text that looks professional and fits the style of your project in DaVinci Resolve.